Okay, so I'm looking through these institutional stocks with all of these, it's in the Alliance insurance company, which I had someone reach out and actually they used to work there. And I get it. Yes, the company's legit, maybe fine. The company may be legit, sure. They're the biggest, one of the biggest insurance companies in the world. And, a lot of these companies that they're holding have a shit ton of institutions in them. That doesn't mean anything against Alliance. I'm just saying it's interesting that Alliance is often used as a share lending vehicle, and we have all these institutional buy-ins here at over 100%, which should not be possible. And Cabo is at like 2,300%. Go is at 317, 900. We thought 200% with GameStop was big. This is nuts. I really don't count the money market fund. It says 4,100%, but I don't count that because it's a money market fund, so it's kind of convoluted. But anyways, when you look at the charts, you get kind of a mixed bag, right? Some of them are obviously overvalued. There's a lot of gaps down to fill, like long way down gaps to fill, like this one here, ACC. Lots of gaps down. And then there's some like HAE that I might actually want to play because, we're talking since inception, I don't see a gap down, really. Oh, there's one. Actually, never mind. Ooh. 47 to 48. Ooh, what is it trading at now? Oh, that's not too bad. Maybe it's going for that fill way back then. We just got to keep an eye on it. But yeah, there's a lot of upside here. So if that's the only one down, is there anyone lower? Oh, yeah, okay. There's one way down at 34.29. And that appears to be it. So, kind of a mixed bag. I don't know if this is the sector rotation we're going to see, because obviously those institutions are going to have to unload at some point. And when that happens, obviously you would imagine the prices were going to go down. So, interesting you see all these gaps down at the same time. Not sure when this is going to happen or if it's going to happen. It's just something I'm pointing out, that there is gaps that need to be filled on the way down that have not filled yet. So interesting to see. And again, all of these have over 100% ownership. Not all of them, but most of them. So just pointing that out. There's something going on. We just need to try to catch what it is, make money off it.